Hey everyone, in this video we will review Inboxdollar and how much you can honestly earn and make. Inboxdollars is a real website where you can earn small amounts of money by doing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, reading emails, and playing games. It's free to join and you even get a small bonus when you sign up. You won't get rich, but it can be a way to earn a few extra dollars in your free time. Surveys usually pay between 50 cents to a few dollars, and other tasks pay just a few cents. Active users might earn a few dollars a day, and more dedicated users could make $10 or more depending on the time and effort they put in. Some people find it fun and easy, especially since you can cash out through PayPal or gift card. But there are downsides too. It can take a while to reach the minimum payout of $15, and sometimes you might get disqualified from surveys after answering a few questions. Overall, it's good for a bit of side cash, but it's not something to rely on for serious income. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.